Today we are exploring the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's dive into the box and discover the new edition inside. The first thing we get is the iPhone itself, and the most important new accessory included with an iPhone is USB-C cable. The iPhone has bid farewell to the Lightning cable. The most significant change across all the new iPhone 15s this year is the transition to USB-C. So here is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you set up the phone, you will see the new menu screen that pairs with the new action button. Apple replaced the silent switch with a single customizable side button that can do a bunch of different things. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a fresh look with a titanium frame and a super tough frosted glass back. Previous models had fingerprints issues with stainless steel. The new iPhone 15 Pro Max solves that with a different material. Titanium is 19 grams lighter and strong than a stainless steel. The iPhone 15 Pro Max feels way lighter even with its size. iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps the same design as last year, featuring a large 6.7-inch display and dynamic island at the top. So let's dive into action button and the USB-C cable, which are major physical changes this year. The action button, a small physical switch, replaces the silent ringer. During setup, you can customize it to perform 8 or 9 different functions. For now, the action button needs a press and hold. A quick press prompts you to hold it longer. By default, it still manages silent mode. Setting the action button to anything else makes the silent switch a control center shortcut. It can toggle focus mode, control the camera, flashlight, magnifier, start a voice memo, trigger a shortcut or accessibility feature, or even do nothing. Launching a specific shortcut is likely the most useful and customizable thing to do with this new button. The other physical change is the shift to USB-C cable. The Lightning port is gone and all the models this year now use USB-C cable. Now you can share cables with Android user or lend your iPhone cable to anyone. Everyone uses the same cable for charging. Apple kept the same display on the iPhone 15 Pro this year. It's an LTPO Super Retina XDR screen with HDR10 and Dolby Vision support. The max brightness stays at 1000 nits for user-adjusted settings and peak at 2000 nits for auto brightness. The Pro Max maintains a 2796 by 1290 resolution, a super smooth 120Hz ProMotion display. It outshines previous iPhones and some Androids, delivering a bold, vibrant, and colorful viewing experience for all content. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes up with the new A17 Pro processor and 8GB of RAM. Apple claims it's the most powerful iPhone ever. The iPhone 15 Pro Max handles console-quality games effortlessly. If you are a serious iPhone gamer, you will love the extra power this iPhone brings. Apple did not highlight improved battery life this year. The Pro Max has a slightly larger battery size than the 14 Pro Max. iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps the same triple lens setup with 48 megapixel main, 12 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Now you can capture 24 and 48 megapixel photos, a shift from the 12 megapixel option last year. Save them in high-efficiency image file formats instead of just RAW. iPhone 15 Pro Max main camera offers 24mm, 28mm and 35mm focal lengths for diverse zoom levels with a simple tap or dial turn. One important thing to mention, the iPhone 15 Pro Max also sports the 5x telephoto zoom lens. So this is it for this iPhone 15 Pro Max. For more product reviews, stay with us. Thank you.